Luko Dehumidifier with dry clothes mode helps you keep your home environment dry or indoors with adequate relative humidity. Continuous operation and the free 1-drain hose are included in the package. A removable 2 liters water tank with a full auto stop indicator. The portable design includes a built-in handle and caster wheels, making it easy to move your unit in the room. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Real-time moisture display and control. The dehumidifier for the bedroom comes with a digital display that shows the relative humidity in percentage and a 3-color light ring to show. You can customize your dehumidifying needs as you wish. When the dehumidifier reaches its designated humidity, it'll stop and will auto-restart if the humidity is out of the target range, thus keeping your room always cozy. Number 2. 2 drainage ways. When the water tank gets full, the unit is beeping. Time to empty the tank. You can directly take out the water tank for draining or connect the dehumidifier to a floor drain with the accessory drain hose to leave the unit draining. The full tank protection effectively prevents the unit from short-circuiting caused by the overflow of water. Number 3. Easy to move and carry. Portable dehumidifiers with 4 durable smooth rolling caster wheels. It can be easily moved to any place by 360 degrees rotating wheel. Washable air filter. The filter on the dehumidifier can be cleaned regularly to maintain efficient dehumidification. You can use a soft cloth and water to clean the filter, but please make sure the filter is completely dry before reinstalling. Number 4. Ultra-quiet basement dehumidifiers with drying mode. Up to 3,000 square feet of room. It not only has a strong dehumidification ability but also lower noise produced than other dehumidifiers. When the dehumidifier is working, your clothes will be dry quickly in the wet environment. Efficiently dehumidify with 68 ounces of the water tank or 30 pint divided by day with a drain hose. Number 5. 1-button design and 3 selectable modes. Easy to use 1-button design can switch between automatic mode, drying mode, and sleep mode. The built-in digital screen displays the real-time humidity level of your home. Number 6. Ultra-quiet dehumidifiers for bedroom. Under 36 dB, dehumidifier is a super quiet fit for the bedroom. Removes moisture to healthy air, provides you good sleeping at night or on daily use. A dehumidifier can be used at home, in basements, bedrooms, living room, study room, libraries, painting room, or offices, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.